Bill Baruch is here because Marvell is just straight up marvelous today, Bill. New 52-week high. It actually, you wouldn't know it, frankly, because NVIDIA, as I said, has stolen the thunder this week, but Marvell's actually had a better week. Marvell's up 38% week to date. You own that stock. You own NVIDIA too. But how do you assess this trade from the here and now, and whether you're tempted to take profits, you think it's overextended, you think it's just getting started? These are the kinds of questions that all of our viewers and anybody who has any of these stocks are thinking about today.
Yeah, you're right. We own these names, and it's something that we're discussing right now, how to manage this. I've been on the show over the couple times the last couple months. NVIDIA at some points have been our largest position, and we're managing that position. We've rotated into some of the other semis, but we have high conviction in the semi space. It's been like that for a while. In fact, 23% of our equity bucket is semis. 47% of our equity bucket has been tech. For Marvell in particular, the quarter itself wasn't phenomenal. It's really looking out, and this is the same story that we've seen from a lot of these companies reporting, is looking out to the second half of this year, and that's where the positivity is. And so we're getting this. Jensen Huang said from NVIDIA earlier in the week that this is the start of a 10-year cycle. So I look back at a quote that's been attributed to Bill Gates and some others, that we tend to overestimate change in the short term and underestimate change in the long term. And that tells me that I think last week I said we're in the middle innings of this price wave higher. But I think long term, I mean, there's some big changes taking place. But it's not just AI. Marvell themselves, they didn't participate in the 4G rollout at all, but they have their hands in the 5G very well in Europe with Ericsson and Nokia. And really, people moving away from Huawei, Marvell's been taking advantage of that, but still 27% or 37% of their income comes from China too. So it's a well-positioned name. Do you care, and to what degree do you care, if any, about this divergence that we've seen, the great divergence, right, of the performance of the top-heavy stocks and then seemingly everything else, and whether you think that's a broad market negative or if you see it differently? Yeah, that's a great question. I care a lot about it because we're positioned for it, and that's why it really matters. And yeah, I think there's going to be some change in portfolios. I think managers that don't have this, they're working through that, as everybody's discussing at the desk, is, where do we put capital now? Do we chase some of this move? Do we look for specific valuations to get exposure here? I think that, again, I reiterate, it's beginning of a 10-year cycle, the NVIDIA CEO said. And I think that's something to really take here, that I think money is going to have to rotate from some of the cyclical names and start to move. I mean, why was Intel down 7% the day after NVIDIA reported? There's a lot to take here, and I think when we look at it, and what really convinced us is last year, the haves and have-nots, the companies that really lowered those expectations. So these names are really coming out of these lower expectations, and that's been the tailwind, because now as the focus shifts to profitability and revenue actually picking back up in 2024, a lot of these names have their fiscal year of 2024 in the second half of 2023. So that's really what they're talking about, and that supply got really starting to dissipate. But names like NVIDIA that have a foothold in the space, the software suite that they offer there's not a second place and there's not a third place. It's NVIDIA, and that's it. And so you find the niches within the space. There's going to be tailwinds. I mean, even back to Marvell, they connect data centers. The more dependence we have on data centers is going to be a tailwind to Marvell in the future as well.